What's up YouTube? Today we are talking about SoundGym, which is an ear training program that helps you make better decisions when mixing and producing your music. So I want to talk about why I think this is such a great tool, and I also want to show you how it works. We're going to walk through a couple of the exercises, and then I'm going to give you my final thoughts after we've gone through some sessions. So this video was made possible by a sponsorship from the folks over at SoundGym. That being said, I've actually used the service a few times in the past, and I've always really been a big fan of ear training. You know, both doing it your own way, using your own tracks and trying to use references, or using systems like SoundGym. That being said, let's dive in and see what it's all about. So I've just logged into my account at SoundGym, and as you can see, it's kind of got a social media-like platform which you can kind of share your scores with others. You can see how others are doing. You can kind of compare your results with the community, which I think is really interesting. You can kind of watch yourself grow as an audio engineer, you know, as you do more of these SoundGym exercises. So anyway, let's just dive straight in and check out some of the exercises. So the first exercise that we're going to do today is the balance memory. I believe this basically plays us a track, and then we need to replicate the mix using a multi-track mixer. So yep, let's try this out and see how we do.
Embrace love, embrace love.
Okay, let's give this a shot.
Embrace love, embrace love. Embrace love, embrace love.
Okay, I think we got it. It's tricky because this one is like it's not what you expect. You know what I mean? The drums are really, really soft, and the bass is really, really soft. So it's actually pretty difficult straight off the bat.
Embrace love, embrace love, embrace love. Embrace love, embrace love,
Oh no, come on. I was so close though. It's just the volumes that were different, but the balance was the same. Come on, guys. Let me do that again.
I'm doing best I can, loving what I do. Mostly I am sane, sometimes I lose it. Sometimes I lose it. I'm doing best I can, loving what I do. Mostly I am sane, sometimes I lose it. I'm doing best I can, loving what I do.
My dudes, you see, I'm already getting better. This is excellent. I actually like this. This type of exercise is very clever.
Your love is out there, it's out there, out there. Your love is out there, it's out there, out there. Your love is out there, it's out there, out there. Your love is out there, it's out there, out there. Embrace love, embrace love, embrace. I'm doing best I can, loving what I do.
Okay, this is tricky because they have the same track, but now it's mixed differently. So like I have a memory of what the track sounded like, and now I've kind of got to reset that. So again, this is a very clever technique because often that happens when we're producing or mixing tracks, is we get so subjective in the mix, we need somehow to like reset our subjectivity.
Loving what I do, mostly I am sane, sometimes I lose it. I'm doing best I can, loving what I do. Mostly I am sane, Sometimes I lose it. I'm doing best I can, loving what I do. Mostly I'm doing best I can, loving what I do. I am sane. Sometimes I lose it. I'm doing best I can, loving what I do.
So now we can see how we compare to the average. Less than average, I guess. Less than average. We can do better, guys. We can do better. We can do better. We can keep training. I guess the idea with this is to do it every day until you get so good at it that you can quickly make these decisions and feel much more confident in these decisions. Let's continue training. Let's do the EQ mirror. Audio source is played through an equalizer. The EQ bands that were used are presented to you. Set the EQ parameters to recreate the equalizer sound. I'm sure we can do this. Let's do this. Okay, so obviously I'm a lot more accurate, with EQing, which is good. It's a good sign. We're getting better, folks. We are getting better. This is amazing. This is amazing. Well, it's great news. Okay, so in this game, we have to pick which sound has different reverb settings. Okay, this one's pretty easy. I guess I use a lot of reverb, so that's probably why. So SoundGym also has content which you can learn from, like stuff that's specific to certain programs and that kind of thing. They have contests which you can, win certain things. You can kind of do one-on-one matches against other people to see how your EQing compares to other people and stuff, which I think is really interesting. So if any of you guys want to challenge me, let's do this. Just kidding. You can also see who's the best in your local area. I think it's really interesting that you can see kind of like who's the best in your local area, in the community. You can have contests against those people and stuff. It's a whole kind of like, social media that's designed around making you a better audio engineer. I mean, that's a very productive use of the internet, if you ask me. So anyway, that's all that we have time for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you think in the comments. A huge thanks to SoundGym for actually sponsoring this video and making stuff like this possible on my channel. I'm going to be posting links and all that kind of stuff to where you can find it in the description. And as always, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. I will see you guys next time. Cheers.